The Cut and Create is a child-friendly, computer-numeric controlled hot wire foam cutter. The Cut and Create uses a hot wire probe to cut through insulation foam to bring foam creations to life.
Parts and Crafts, a community makerspace in Somerville, Massachusetts, was looking for a fast, easy, and safe way for their students to incorporate foam into their making process. Typically, cutting foam would involve using an exposed hot wire, which can be smelly and dangerous. You can also cut foam with a saw or knife, but this creates a mess, takes a long time, and can also be dangerous. The Cut and Create solves all of these problems by using a hot probe that easily cuts through foam in a safe, mess-free way.
The Cut and Create uses a gantry system, which allows the probe to move in the X and Y direction. The gantry system is powered by two stepper motors. The hot probe is mounted on a linkage system, which allows it to plunge into and out of the foam. The drawer also has a limit switch that tells the machine when the drawer is open and makes sure the probe is raised above the foam and at the back of the machine so that it can't accidentally burn anyone. The brain of the Cut and Create is a microprocessor called the ME Orion board. The board was programmed using a combination of Scratch and Arduino. The code maps the movement of the joystick to stepper motor values, which moves the probe in the desired direction. The code also tells the machine what to do if it hits a limit switch or if any of the buttons are pressed. The Cut and Create is encased in clear acrylic so that you can see your designs as you create them, and also so that you can see how the machine works. At the back of the machine is a carbon filter fan. When the machine is turned on, the probe begins to heat up and the fan turns on. The fan filters the fumes created by cutting foam and makes sure that no toxins are released into the air.
To use the Cut and Create, simply press the on button to power it up. Open the drawer and place your piece of foam on the spikes. Close the drawer and use the joystick to move the probe to where you want to cut. When you are ready to cut, press the Cut button, and then use the joystick to move the probe and create your foam piece. When you are done cutting, press the Don't Cut button to raise the probe and then open the drawer. The probe will automatically move to its home position and you can safely retrieve your foam creation. If you would like the Cut and Create to cut a part automatically for you, you can use the mDraw app and upload an SVG file. You can then hit the play button on the mDraw software and watch the Cut and Create make your part.
To build the Cut and Create, we followed the engineering design process. We first spent time understanding our problem and brainstorming potential solutions. We then selected a design concept and started prototyping using materials like cardboard. Next, we built a model of our design on the computer and ordered the materials we wanted to use in the actual design and began assembling the machine. We made lots of changes as we built and had to do a lot of problem solving when things didn't work like we thought they would. Lastly, we tested our design and made some changes to improve it.
Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see what you create.